Hello, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Chavda, Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. This session is related to business organization for BBA LLB second semester. This session is from Unit 1, session number 7. Session name is Business Ethics and Values. So, my dear students, as you know, business also has its own ethics, has also its own values. Every businessman has to follow that ethics. These ethics. Ethics are, you can say, the guidelines for a legal business. Now, the word business ethics refers to the system of moral principles and rules of the conduct applied to business. Business, being a social organ, shall not be conducted in a way detrimental to the interest of the society and the business sector itself. Every profession or group frames certain do's and do nots for its members. The members are given a standard in which they are supposed to operate. These standards are influenced by the prevailing economic and social situations. The codes of conduct are periodically reviewed to suit the changing circumstances. Now, what is the definition of ethics? So, business ethics is generally coming to know what is right or wrong in the workplace and doing what is right. This is in regard to effects of products or services and in relationship with the stakeholders. Definition given by Cater McNamara. Second definition given by John Donaldson. Business ethics, in short, can be defined as the systematic study of ethical matters pertaining to the business, industry, or related activities, institutions, and beliefs. Business ethics is the systematic handling of values in business and industry. Third definition: there is no unanimity of opinion as to what constitutes business. There are separate business ethics of business, but every individual and organ in society should abide by certain moral orders. Now, business ethics should be taken into considerations the following factors. A business should aim to have fair dealing with everyone dealing with it. Number two, ethics should be fixed for everyone working in the organization at any level, and their implementation should be linked with reward or punishment system. Number three, any violation of ethics should be detected at the earliest and remedial measures taken immediately. Number four, business ethics should be based on broad guidelines of what should be done and what should be avoided. And number five, the ethics should be based on the perception of what is right. So these are the factors to be taken into considerations for as business ethics. Now, what are the sources of business ethics? In every society, there are three sources of business ethics, that are religion, culture, and law. Now, these religion, culture, and law, these three sources of business ethics are discussed as under. So, first, religion. Religion is the oldest source of ethical inspiration. There are more than ethical inspirations. 1 lakh religions which exist across the whole world, but all of them are in agreement on the fundamental principles. Every religion gives an expression of what is wrong and right in business and other walks of life. The principle of reciprocity towards one's fellow beings is found in all the religions. Great religions preach the necessity for an orderly social system and emphasize upon social responsibility with an objective to contribute to the general welfare. With these fundamentals, every religion creates its own code of conduct. Number 2, culture. Culture is the set of important understandings that members of community share in common. It consists of basic set of values, ideas, perceptions, preferences, concept of morality, code of conduct, etc., which creates distinctiveness among human groups. We talk about culture. We typically refer to the pattern of development reflected in a society's pattern of knowledge, ideology, values, laws, social norms, and day to day rituals. Depending upon the pattern and stage of development, culture differs from society to society. Moreover, culture is passed from generation to generation. Culture facilitates the generation of commitment to something larger than one's individual self interest. Culture encourages the members of the organization to give priority to organizational goals over and above their personal interests. Culture also serves as a sense making and control mechanism that guides and shapes the attitudes and behavior of people. Managers have to run an individual enterprise on the cutting edge of cultural experience. The tension that their actions create makes the business ethically more complex. And the third one, sources religious, culture, and third one is law. So third one, law. The legal system of any country guide the human behavior in the society. Whenever or whatever ethics the law defines are binding on the society. The society expects the business to abide by the law. Although it is expected that every business should be law abiding, seldom do the business adhere to the rules and regulations. Law breaking in business is common. Example, tax evasion, hoarding, adulteration, poor quality and high price products, environment, pollution, etc. So, sources of business ethics 3, religion, culture and law. Now, what are the importance of business ethics? Number 1, it corresponds to basic human needs. The basic need of every human being is that they want to be part of the organization which they can respect and be proud of because they perceive it to be the ethical. Everybody likes to be associated with an organization which the society respects as a honest and social responsible organization. The human resource managers have to fulfill this basic need of the employees as well as their own basic needs that they want to direct an ethical organization. The basic needs of the employees as well as the managers compel the organizations to be ethically oriented. Number 2 importance, credibility in the public. Ethical values of an organization creates credibility in the public eye. People will like to buy the products of a company if they believe that the company is honest and is offering value for money. The public issues of such companies are bound to be success. Because of this reason only, the cola companies are spending huge sums of money on the advertisements nowadays to convince the public that their products are safe and free from pesticides of any kind. Then number 3, credibility with the employees. When employees are convinced of the ethical values of the organization they are working for, they hold the organization in high esteem. It creates common goals, values, and language. The human resource manager will have credibility with the employees just because the organization has credibility in the eyes of the public. Perceived social uprightness and moral values win the employees more than any other incentive plans. Number 4, better decision making. Respect for ethics will force a management to take various economic, social, and ethical aspects into consideration while taking the decisions. Decision making will be better if the decisions are in the interest of the public, employee, and company's own long-term good. Number 5, profitability. Being ethical does not mean not making any profits. Even organization has a responsibility towards itself also, that is to earn profits. Ethical companies are bound to be successful and more profitable in the long run, though in the short run they can lose money. And very important, number 6, protection of society. Ethics can protect the society in a better way than even the legal system of the country. Where law falls, ethics always succeed. The government cannot regulate all the activities that are harmful to the society. A human resource manager who is ethically sound can reach out to agitated employees more effectively than the police. So these are the importance of business ethics. So once again, I'll tell you that importance of business ethics. If you want to note down these points. Number 1 corresponds to business basic human needs. It must satisfy basic human needs. Number 2 is credibility to the public. The business must have credibility in the public. Number 3, credibility with the employees. Employees must have confidence over the business policies. Then they don't want any other incentive plans as much if they have confidence in the credibility of the business. Then number 4, better decision making. If a business will make better decision, if capability of better decision making, then it involves or it improves the confidence of all the stakeholders. Then profitability. No doubt every business runs in profit. Business ethics doesn't mean that there should not be profit. Yes, because business is running for profit only. Business also, it has ethics, it has its moral values towards itself also. So it must earn profit. And then protection of society. Business ethics means it must protect the interest of the society. Even business ethics is more important. If employees are correlated with each other, even they can, a human resource manager can better manage the affairs, or even in case of lockdown or strike, he can manage the affairs better than the police. Now students, just in short, again we will discuss what are ethical values. So if an organization wants to take ethics seriously, it needs to identify the core values or principles to which it wishes to be committed and held accountable. If it then needs to translate those values into guidance for all employees so that they are helped with discretionary decisions, that is when there are no rules or when facing an ethical dilemma. These form the foundation for a set of corporate ethical commitments and the organization's approach to corporate responsibility. So commonly used value words found in introductions, preambles to codes of ethics include responsibility, integrity, respect, trust, openness, fairness, and transparency. So organization may also articulate a set of business values such as quality, profitability, efficiency, reliability, and customer service. So these are business ethics and values. So from this session you can learn what are business ethics and business values, sources of business ethics, importance of business ethics. And again, be careful, every business has to follow business ethics and values to be successful. Thank you.